Hi, this is Jenny Wheeler with Straightaway Travel. I'm here at a generic hotel in Michigan for a swim meet. And looking at this snow, I am wishing I was back in sunny Mexico staying at the Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres. It's an amazing family resort and they have a family selection area that is similar to club level with VIP treatment. Come with me and check out my walkthrough of the Garden View Junior Suite in the family selection. Let's check it out. Family selection guests enjoy access to a private pool and beach area, featuring comfortable poolside seating and dedicated food and drink service, perfect for a stress-free vacation in paradise. The exclusive family lounge also offers all-day snacks, premium drinks, and a relaxing place just for the family selection guests. Here is the walkthrough of the beautiful Junior Suite Garden View. As you can see here, there is a double vanity sink, a separate toilet, and a separate shower area. Next to the bathtub, there also is a shade that you can have come down from the ceiling so that you can block off the bathroom if you would like to have some privacy in the bathtub. There's this lovely king bed, pull-out sofa, and this being the garden view, the terrace does overlook the garden. There's a lovely area here for you to enjoy some snacks in your room, sit down, maybe do some work on your vacation if you have to. Your suite also comes fully stocked with snacks and drinks, and they will replenish that for you throughout your stay. This is just such a beautiful room. It is in a completely different part of the resort. It's its own section, the family selection. Think club level, think VIP. Get great bathrobes, slippers, butler service. Your family will be well taken care of at this resort. It's safe to put your valuables in, hair dryer, storage, ironing board, everything you need to be able to be comfortable in this beautiful suite. This is the nest. This is the family area only for family selection guests. This is right in the same building as the room we just viewed. So if your kids want to have some fun, get out of the room for a while, maybe get out of the sun, this is a great place for the whole family to come hang out. Again, this is for family selection guests only. There's this awesome sugar candy shop if you want to let them have some sweets. And here is a full service restaurant with a bar for the parents. And they do have the buffet over here. This is filled with delicious options and also healthy treats. They had a little too much sugar. There is plenty of fruit and other things for them, some vegetables. So this is all just right in the same building as your room to come down and enjoy a meal or a snack. So pretty much anything you would need for your family is right there. You're not gonna walk a long distance across the resort to access this area. It is right here for you. There is indoor seating, there's outdoor seating, and this is also right next to where there is a private pool that is also only for the family selection guests. So you can see out here at the outdoor seating, there is a little play area for the kids. So if they're feeling feisty at the table, you can always send them over there to get some energy out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and continue to watch more of our walkthroughs. We don't charge any planning fees when you book through us, so please reach out to us at Straightaway Travel. We will make your trip perfect and it won't cost you any extra. We are here to help every step along the way. Thank you for watching.